Okay, so we're in Willow. This is in Punta Gorda, Florida. We are in a Lennar and a Toll Brothers community. This is the Trevi model by Lennar. It's ready to go. They have recently reduced the price on this one to $350. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Come on in here. So we've got really tall ceilings right here. Over here, we've got storage, 2 guest bedrooms, and a bathroom with the tub shower combination. So really good if you've got kiddos or guests and a lot of visitors coming through. Over here, this way, we have access, or it's a laundry room, and then access to a 2-stall garage. And then this is a lovely ensuite guest room space as well. So you can do a queen size bed in here. And then you've got this bathroom with also tub shower combination. So really great for kind of those longer term visitors or maybe an in-law staying with you. And then everything opens up nice and wide in the great room space here. This is going to be your dining room. So you're going to pop that out, put a beautiful chandelier, have your dining room table here. This is all your living room space with your TV lined up over there. Obviously, huge wide open kitchen. You've got under cabinet seating here, quartz countertops, white cabinetry. You guys know that I love corner pantries. Love it. So you've got all of this storage, all of this prep space. In the Trevi here too, they do have the pull out for the trash. So I like that. Over here, we have our owner's suite. Can absolutely accommodate king size bed, chest of drawers, a dresser here, TV above it if that's what you like. You've got a huge walk-in closet. I don't know if you're going to get that in the video, but fantastic space. And then here we have the step-in shower, the double vanities. Love that they did the bank of drawers here. Lots of counter space, that transom window up there for natural light. Great for doing your makeup, right, ladies? Okay, this one they're asking $350, no pool. Let's step out back though, because you do have some decent views. Look at, you can see it from here. You've got this great pond view. Your backyard is going to go just beyond this tree line right here. So you can do some calusas if you wanted, but I don't know, why would you want to obstruct this view of this nice little pond? So if you're interested in this property, amenities are going to be done June of 2026. So in about 8 months. So if you're interested in this property or this community, you got to reach out to me. Go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, and follow me. Let's talk about your wish list.